Hello, single men. I'm going to teach you how to cook. I'm reading from the back of the box, not a book. Hopefully, you can follow along and not be hungry, because I am hungry, and this sucks. First things first, you gotta get your milk hot, then add in the chocolate, stir it in a pot. Don't lick the spoon. If you do, the entire pot of dough you will consume. Then oil and love from the heart, a secret ingredient that will set it apart. Now crack them eggs and let them slide. Whisk it all together and put it aside. Now ditch the pot, use a pan non-stick. Level off the top to keep your texture slick. Set the table, get the doggy bowl. We're going for fully cooked, but I could live with edible. Pour it in the pan, let it bake to perfection. Liquidy chocolate of the finest selection. 350, that's the plan, you'll see. Low and slow, trust your main MC. 30 or 40 minutes, this'll take a while. I suggest kicking it doggy style. But if you're low on women, maybe beat your meat. I suggest Siri before she lost the teat. Then take 'em out. Wait till the temp is just right. Crackle on the top, but not a jiggle in sight. And enjoy! You've made your brownie. Maybe next time you can do it without me.